Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and having adventures can be wonderful, but it also can be scary if you're in a place that doesn't have a great signal.
Well, have no fear because ZOLEO satellite communicator is here to the rescue. You can even download an app on your phone so that you can easily text any message that you need. It has an SOS button. If you are in trouble, it sends your GPS coordinates. It's got an easy check button, the on-off button, the port to charge. It also has this awesome clip at the end so that you can easily clip it to the outside of your backpack or your pants so that you can have easy access. It's just so nice to be able to send a message anytime to your family, just so that you can give them peace of mind, to let them know where you are in your hike, how you're feeling, and if there's going to be any delays. It does take a little time to send, but it'll always let you know when it has been sent out. If you don't have time to send a text message, you can just hold down the check button and it will send your GPS location and that you're okay. It is waterproof, so you don't have to worry about rain or anything like that. The power button indicates when it is fully charged. This was just such a wonderful thing to have. It really allowed me to give my family peace of mind when we went on our big hike in the Grand Canyon.
It really allowed me to enjoy the hike worry-free. And that's my point of view.